go. Event is the category for this first round. And, Lori, we do get to watch you spin now. $600.
T.
See, we have 4 T's up there, and you're off to a very nice start. $2,400. $800.
R.
3 R's. Now what? You have almost 5,000.
I'd like to buy a vowel. E.
Let's see, 3 E's.
Can I buy another vowel?
Yep.
O.
Sure, there are 2 O's. Lots more letters up there. You can do any more vowel buying?
I think I might buy one more vowel.
Okay.
A U?
Yeah. You mean it when you said just one? $600.
N.
On the end. You almost made it out there. I'm sorry. Kristen, it's your turn. Okay.
C.
There is a C. You may pick up that wild card. You also picked up $500. You want to do any vowel buying or either that or spin the wheel or solve the puzzle?
I think I buy a vowel. I.
You go. There are 2 I's. $700.
H.
Yes, 2 H's. $700.
L.
There's an L, yeah. $23.50 a half.
I'll buy a vowel. A.
Last of the vowels. We know it's there somewhere. Actually, 2 of them. And then the wheel. Gotcha. Eric, it's your turn. $850. B. Yeah, there's B.
You know what, Pat? Let me solve this puzzle, please.
Okay, go ahead.
Breathtaking helicopter tour.
Yeah, that's it. $850 will make it 1,000. That's our minimum per round. So you're on the board. That's good news. I'm a little tired. Let's throw it to commercial for you.